Supreme Court of India 2023 0 NSC 822, 2023 0 Supreme, SC, 855, Jamboo Bhandari vs MP State Industrial Development Corporation Limited and Ors, September 4, 2023. Facts complaint filed under Section 138 of niact, 1881. Magistrate convicted appellant appeal before Sessions Court, Section 148 of niact, Sessions Court granted relief under Section 389, CRPC. Subject to condition of appellants depositing 20% of amount of compensation. High Court has confirmed order of Sessions Court. Held when an accused applies under Section 389 of the CR.P.C. for suspension of sentence, he normally applies for grant of relief of suspension of sentence without any condition. Therefore, when a blanket order is sought by the appellants, the court has to consider whether the case falls in exception or not. In these cases, both the Sessions Courts and the High Court have proceeded on the erroneous premise that deposit of minimum 20% amount is an absolute rule which does not accommodate any exception. We set aside the impugned orders of the High Court and restore the revision petitions filed by the appellants before the High Court. The High Court, after hearing the parties, will consider whether 20% of the amount is already deposited or not. If the court comes to the conclusion that 20% of the amount is not deposited, the court will re-examine the revision petitions in the light of what we have observed in this judgment. Appeals are allowed.